As you enter this 7-bedroom villa, you will see the enormous living, dining, and kitchen area. The large open floor plan has sliding glass doors opening to the pool and terrace area, perfect for hosting guests. The kitchen is equipped with lovely countertops, a breakfast bar, and top-quality appliances. This home also has a laundry, maid's quarters, and 3 bedrooms on the second floor, all opening up to a balcony. On the third floor, there are 2 more bedrooms and the master bedroom, which has a jacuzzi in the bathroom. Call us today to book your viewing. For more information on this listing, please contact Amber Coast Realty, your real estate professionals in the Dominican Republic.